Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this leaking bidet. Okay? If you have this type of bidet, you need to open this one. The most common problem of this leaking bidet is the buildup of hard water or dust. Open it, then remove this plastic. Behind this metal there is a rubber. It's not visible. That rubber is the one that sits in here, in this area, for the water not to seep through when it's closed. So when you press this, it goes up, goes backward, and the water enters this area. But when you release this, it goes down and sits in here. So let's see, we will just try to clean this area. Usually dust that you cannot see by your naked eye, that has built up on it. I don't want you to use any abrasive metal in removing those dust or hard water. Maybe use some 1000 grit or 1500 grit sandpaper. Just take your time in cleaning it. Usually that's the most common problem. Or if the gasket is already busted, you may need to replace it. Okay, I have cleaned it. Let's hope that is the issue of this one. Put it back, then screw this back. Okay, let's put it back to the bidet hose. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.